sundog. And that chemtrail right there is the one that created the sonic boom. I didn't get on video, but he banked over there and then banked over there. And right before that, the whole hill shook. It sounded like somebody dropped a big ass bomb. Excuse my French. There's a big one. Sundogs. They were being caused by our chemtrails. That's what I believe in anyway. Okay, here's a new one. We just had another sonic boom, and there's where he banked. If you can see it, not sure if you can. And all the way they're leaving chemtrails. So that's 2 or 3 big bangs today. Shaking the hill, shaking the house. Hope it don't mess up the foundation. But yeah, you can hear them. Pretty freaky. Phone's gonna run out of juice. I need to replace the battery. Trying to wait for another one. There's one right there. Right there's one. Just laying them thick. He'll be back with a big boom. There, he just turned it off. Oh, there he is. No, he didn't turn it off, he just sped up. There he's banking. He's banking.